On a Mac, when you open the Finder and you click on this icon button here, if you want to make these icons larger, you can hold Command and hit the plus or minus keys like that, or you can go to View and scroll down to Show View Options, and here we can change the icon size as well. But if we open up a web browser like Safari or Chrome, and we click here to upload an image, it's going to open a Finder window here, and these icons are way too small to be helpful at all, and if we hold Command and hit minus and plus, it doesn't do anything. It's actually changing the zoom of the web page behind the screen. And if we click on View up here, you'll notice that our options are different. Once again, because we are not affecting the Finder application, we are affecting Chrome here. To fix this, click on the magnifying glass and type in terminal. And inside the terminal, you're going to paste this code. If you want to copy it, I'm going to put it in the description. The final number here in this code, 256, is the size, the number of pixels that make up the size of these icons. So if you want larger icons, you can put a larger number here, but all we have to do is hit enter. And now I'm going to go back into Chrome. I'm going to hit upload. And finally, we have icons that we can actually see.